Welcome to FARAKIDSTV. Let's know the 9 easy meals. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon.
Good morning! Breakfast time. Yummy food gives us energy to play and learn. Let's have a great day.
It's lunchtime. A yummy lunch helps our bodies grow strong and gives us more energy for fun. Let's have a happy day. It's dinner time. A tasty dinner helps us get ready for a good night's sleep, so we can wake up ready for a new day. Look, it's hamburger time. A yummy stack of all our favorites. It's a tasty, juice treat that gives us energy for fun. Fruit, so sweet and juicy. Eating colorful fruit is a yummy way to stay healthy and strong. What's your favorite fruit? Crunchy, colorful vegetables. They're like nature's superpower food, helping us grow big and strong with every yummy bite.
Pasta. It's so fun to twirl and slurp.
Let's have a crunchy, colorful salad. All these fresh veggies help us grow big and strong. So yummy and good for you.
Let's make a sandwich. It's fun to build our own yummy lunch. We layer up our favorites